first timers driving RC cars. It smells like someone pooped. Yeah, look at this. Brought the car again.
Push it forward.
Oh, bro! Oh no!
Oh, man. Oh shoot, my bad. You okay? You okay?
Yeah, okay.
You okay?
Bro, the car! Whoa!
Hit him in your game. Oh.
Grab my leg.
That's someone's lawn, man.
Look at you guys did. What? Leg. Bro, the car! It's the same RC car. We're lucky that it wasn't the black one hitting the car. Whoa! I'm on 1 foot right now, bro. Whoa. Oh! We're getting some massive hits right now. Bro, hit the car.
You can't get me though. You can't get me though. You can't get me though.
Ooh, barely missed. Y'all are cutting it close. Bro, the cars, both of them. Bro, the amount of times we're gonna hit the tires and cars. Ooh.
You might be good at dodging, but you can never hit me. Oh, really? Yeah. Come on, try me, man.
Viewers, I'm crouching right now to get level with these cars.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, oh my gosh. Bro, I heard someone's iPhone making noise. Fun fact, people, the blue one, $39, the black one, $50. Which one do you think is the better deal? Well, you're lucky on that one.
I think it's done for.
Yeah, it has to be charged. Now, before ending this off, last night we had a huge milestone. We had 100 subscribers, people. My next goal, you may think it's going to be like 1,000 subscribers, but no, it's actually much greater. You see, I need to pass top car design. Why? Because when I search up my channel in Google search, I can't find it. I have to go to YouTube. Only because of top car design. Big stretch, but we're going to do it. Man, thank you all again for 100 subscribers. Forgot to mention, have a good day. You must.